The official release date for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 is confirmed. We now have access to all of the technical details and real-time images of the phone's design. You can even place an order for the device right now. The Samsung Unpacked event has been scheduled for July 26 at 7 a.m. Eastern Time. Now that Samsung has also opened up the reservation pages, you can go ahead and reserve your Z Fold 5 or your Flip for free. There's also no obligation to purchase, and you'll receive $50 off. Thanks to WinFuture, we have access to all of the exclusive renderings, which show the Z Fold 5 in all its splendor and indicate whether it will come in beige, black, or a brand new blue color. The camera module, or the fact that it has been made a little bit smaller, is the largest change in terms of design, and the LED flash has been relocated to the top right. Amit Kaidar tweeted the entire specifications as well, and he says it will weigh 10 grams less. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 does, of course, increase performance, but all of the other specifications, including the battery and the quick charge capabilities, remain mostly same from the Fold 4. Of course, the battery has the same capacity as the previous model, but Ahmed claims that we will receive up to 20 hours of movie playing and 72 hours of music from it. Of course, the new water drop type hinge will also enable the Fold 5 to fold entirely flat, but contrary to earlier rumors that claimed it would also be dust and water resistant, recent information suggests that it will only be IPX8 water resistant. The Ziftona XL is the name of the game, and we've got it all on video. There have been speculations of a $100 price cut, which would be fantastic, and Samsung has pushed to improve the phone as much as possible without completely redesigning it. For those who already own an earlier folder or are purchasing their first folder, it won't be worthwhile to upgrade from the Fold 4, but it will undoubtedly be a terrific product. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.